Guess the tune in 3 hints.
Your first hint is that this toon's fandom makes them look a lot worse than they actually are due to lore and them being canon. Such as how people
Are convinced Sprout is like only healing Cosmo and like Fruitcake's the only thing that exists in the world. That's kind of how it is.
Your second hint is that this toon does not have any animal characteristics by any means.
Your third and final hint is that this toon is an expert with distracting, but most of the time should not extract, especially on Dial's floors, due to their low extraction and skill check.
Did you figure it out yet?
I'll give you a bit of time to figure out which toon it is. 3, 2, 1. The toon was Bassy. Let me know down in the comments below if you got it right or not. Bye guys, have an amazing day.